This project presents my results from an analysis of interviews I conducted with 15 Australian primary school teachers in 2018. The interviews took place after the teachers completed a 10-week professional learning program I ran called Coding in Stage 3. That program and these interviews were both part of my PhD project. The interviews were focused on the teachers' experiences learning and teaching computer coding and their plans for implementing coding lessons in the future. I analysed the transcripts from these interviews and identified 18 inhibitors and 16 enablers. Inhibitors are the barriers and challenges that had hindered teachers' implementation of coding lessons. Enablers are the supports and other positive experiences that had helped teachers implement coding lessons. I also grouped the inhibitors and enablers into 9 different categories, such as leaders and peers. Stakeholders, such as principals, could then use these categories of inhibitors and enablers to find ways to help teachers implement coding lessons. The process that I used for this analysis and the categories, inhibitors, and enablers that I identified are explained in detail in my thesis. My thesis is available online, and you can download it and read the results chapter that focuses on the enablers and inhibitors. However, that chapter alone is around 60 pages. I've been wanting to present these results in a more engaging and interactive way for a while, and recently had some time to implement this as a personal project. This project has been implemented using Phaser.js and TypeScript, which are 2 technologies that I've been wanting to learn for a while. The project is set up as a fixed size canvas that won't work well on mobile devices, and it should only be viewed on a desktop or laptop. In the project, you can see each of the different categories up the top and down the bottom. You can click each of the different categories, and when you click the category, a description of the category will appear here, along with all the inhibitors and enablers for that category. The inhibitors are all prefixed with a minus sign, like this one here, and all the enablers are prefixed with a plus sign, like this one here. You can click into the different inhibitors and enablers to see more information about them. When we click this enabler, the description of that enabler appears, and we also see a quote from one of the teacher interviews. You can also use the play quote button down the bottom right to play a quote from one of the teachers. Note that the names here are pseudonyms and that the voices that have been used are not the original recordings from the interviews. You can use the X to close that particular inhibitor or enabler and have a look at the other ones for that category. You can select other different categories as well and have a look at those. And you can also use the question mark button at any time to view the help dialog and to watch this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that it helps you explore this project. If you have any questions about the research behind this project or the implementation, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.